It's Fun Friday, May 22nd, and here is your Fun Friday activity. Open up your envelope and you are going to be making a bubble gum maze. So you have a box, and in the box I put a piece of paper with a maze drawn on it. It says start and end. If you would rather make your own maze, you're welcome to. Or you could practice with this one and then make another one. But if you would like to follow this pattern, you can. And if you don't want to, you can just put another piece of paper in there and make another maze. There's also an envelope inside the envelope, one inside the other, with a bunch of paper straws. So what you're going to need is your scissors. You need your scissors from another time that I sent scissors home with you, and you need your glue from the time I sent glue home with you. Now, if you can't find your glue, you could use the tape that I sent home instead. You'll just have to be careful to make sure the tape is smooth around the straw after you put it in place and flat on the pathway for the gumball. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to take a straw and you're going to estimate how much you need to cut off of it to make it the right length. If anything, you want it to be a little bit shorter than the line rather than too long, because you need space for that gumball to get around. So do you see how that's a little bit shorter? And that's just fine. All right, I'm gonna put 3 dots of glue, not huge ones because it'll make big puddles, but just 3 little dots of glue, and I'm gonna set my straw on the line in the glue. And then I'm not going to bump it after that. I just want to leave it there so that it can dry. Now, while that's there, it's okay. You will just be really careful and you'll cut another one. We're going to cut one for over here on this little line. If you cut down inside the box, then if the piece of straw snaps away someplace, the box will help keep it in place. So does that look like it's about the right length? I think that'll fit. So I'm going to put 2 dots of glue there. You don't want huge puddles, but you need enough for the straw to have something to sit into. So there's that one. Then I'm going to take another one. I'm going to estimate here and cut it. Save your extra pieces of straw because you'll need them to fill in other areas. Like I cut this one right here, and it's going to go there. And then I would be able to use this one maybe right over here. So yeah, I can place both of those right now. Sometimes you'll need to trim a little bit more off. Try to do your long ones first so that you don't run out of long pieces. But if you do run out of long pieces, you can put 2 pieces of straw on one line to make one space. Maybe I'll add one more little dot of glue right there and set this one here. And then I'm going to estimate right here, about that long. And another one about the same length for this corner. I'm going to put these 2 dots here. I'm not going to do the whole thing with you right now. I'm going to stop after I put these in place, and then I'll show you what it will look like when you end. All right, so there's that. And here's this one. All right, so you want to let that, after you get it all filled up, you want to let it dry for a couple hours. And after those 2 hours are up, it will be nice and firm like this. And you will be able to take a bubble gum ball. Let's get a colorful one out. Yeah, we'll use the red one for now. And put the bubble gum ball right there at start. And then gently tilt it, trying to solve the puzzle. There are 2 ways to solve this puzzle. You want to get it all the way from start. Uh-oh, I'm stuck there. I'm going to try going this way, up here. I'm going to go down, gently to there, over, and I made it to the end. Have fun with your bubblegum maze. You can eat the bubble gum afterward maybe. You have 8 pieces to play with. Share with your family, with your siblings. Let them play your game too. Send me a picture too if you finish this or if you create your own. Have a fun Friday and have a fun weekend. Bye.